My lovely children, welcome back in the 27th video of chemistry for class 10, chapter number 2. This is the fourth practice paper number 4. And in this practice paper, I have given 9 questions. Questions are very easy, but they are conceptual. If you know the concept, you can easily solve all the questions given by me in this practice paper. So let us start with the first one. The first question is, what do you mean by water of crystallization? Simply you have to define what is the exact meaning of water of crystallization. What do you know about water of crystallization? That you have to write. Second one, write the chemical formula of any 4 hydrated salts. You know what is hydrated salt. A salt which contains some molecule of water is called hydrated salt. You have to write chemical formula of any 4 hydrated salts. There are a number of hydrated salts that we know, but we have to write only the chemical formula of 4 hydrated salts, any 4 hydrated salts. The third question is, what do you mean by brine? Brine, you know it. What is brine? That you have to write. Question number 4, how can NaCl be manufactured in the laboratory? Sodium chloride is manufactured in many ways. In first way, it is manufactured from ocean or seas by evaporation. When sunlight falls on it, then sodium chloride is formed. But you'll have to write how NaCl is manufactured in laboratory. With the help of a chemical, I tell you that you have to write. Question number 5, fill in the blanks. NaCl is dash salt, Na2CO3 is dash salt, NaHCO3 is dash salt, CaCl2 is dash salt. Fill in the blanks. Just see here, NaCl is dash salt, means either acidic or basic or neutral. NaCl is acidic salt or basic salt or neutral salt, that you will have to fill. Similarly, this sodium carbonate is acidic, basic or neutral salt, that you have to fill. I have told you that the first part of any salt is derived from the base and the second one is derived from the acid. Now you have to judge which type of base and which type of acid have been reacted to make this kind of salt. That I have already discussed. NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate, is acidic, basic or neutral salt, that you have to fill in. Calcium chloride is acidic, basic or neutral, that you have to write. Question number 6, write the reaction involved in chlor-alkali process. Chlor-alkali process, that you have to write. Question number 7, write one use of sodium hydroxide, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. You have to write one use each of the following. Question number 8, what is the chemical name of washing soda? Washing soda is not the chemical name, it is the common name of a compound. You have to write the chemical name of this same compound. What is the chemical name of washing soda? To write the chemical name of any compound, you must have the concept of chemical formula. If you are having the concept of chemical formula, you can easily name the given substance by its chemical name. Question number 9, how washing soda is prepared from common salt? You have been given common salt, and with the help of this common salt, you are told to prepare washing soda. How can washing soda be prepared if you are using common salt? That you have to write with the help of chemical equation. Dear students, do not forget to balance the chemical equation whenever it is necessary to write. Thank you very much for watching this video.